I always thank you, Evision, for this wonderful opportunity and guidance. I am Abdul Faheem, basically from Uttar Pradesh, but I currently live in Mumbai. I have done the BTech in EC branch in 2020. And the experience of the CCNA course is fabulous. I learned a lot of things from the Evision Techno Survey and enhance my skill and confidence level up to 100%. The trainer are very good and supportive person in this institute, and I gained a lot of skills and knowledge. I got place in CMS IT services by referencing the Evision Techno Survey, and I have with the salary of 3 LPA per annum. The whole teams of Evision is supportive and helpful, truly appreciative. Thank you, Evision. Thank you, all of you.